All right, so how do you write 45% as a fraction? Okay, so the relation between percentage and fraction is quite simple. So to write 45% as a fraction, we'll take the integer value of the percent and divide it by 100. Okay, so we'll take 45 and we'll divide it by 100. Okay, and that would equal, if we were to reduce it down, so we can notice here that a common factor between 45 and 100 is 5. So we're going to divide both sides by 5. Or the numerator and the denominator by 5, I should say. And we get 9 and 20. All right, so are there any other common factors between 9 and 20? No, there are not, so we end it here, and this is the fraction for 45%. So to convert from a fraction to a percentage, all we have to do is convert this to decimal form and multiply it by 100 and round to the nearest 100th. Okay? So that is the formula, or the algorithm to converting from percentage to fraction. So from percentage to fraction, you divide by 100 and reduce by taking out the common factor. And to convert from a fraction to a percentage, we want to convert this to decimal form, multiply it by 100, and then round it up to the nearest 100th. Or round it up to the nearest whole number. Okay, so that's how you convert from a percentage to a fraction. If you're converting to a percentage, you don't really need to round up, but in this case, we'll round it up. Okay, so that's how you do it. And so the solution that the junior tutor expressed is correct. So they define what a percentage is, which is a percentage is defined as a part of a whole. So part of 100, which is expressed as a fraction of 100. Okay, so how much do we have of 100 of this? So thus to convert the given percentage, 45% to a fraction, we need to convert it, put the percentage by 100 to get the fraction of 100, basically. And by doing that, you find the reducible factors, and you end up with 9 over 20. So this solution is correct. Good. Cool. All right, question number 8.